So, you want to become a remote data analyst in 2026? Let me just say it straight. The old advice: learn Excel, SQL, Python. That's table stakes now. Everyone in the game already knows those. If you're still collecting certificates hoping they'll set you apart, you're wasting your time. Here's what people aren't telling you. What actually gets you noticed is your proof of work. I'm talking about real projects with real business impact. Did you build a dashboard that helped a company reduce costs? Did your analysis actually change a decision? That's what matters. If you don't have case studies, clickable dashboards, or clear insights you can show off, you're basically invisible in the global talent pool. And yes, I said global. The moment you decide to work remotely, you're not just competing with your local talent, you're up against the world. There are people out there with better portfolios, stronger communication skills, and hands-on experience. So if your only plan is to binge online courses and stack up certificates, it's time to rethink your strategy. The smartest way in? Freelancing. Most beginners won't land a full-time remote job right away. But you can start small. Grab those freelance gigs, deliver results, get testimonials, and build your credibility. Every little project counts. With each win, you're building a portfolio that actually means something to recruiters and clients. Now, let's talk about the one skill that filters out more candidates than anything else: communication. You could be a coding wizard, but if you can't explain your insights clearly, especially to clients from different countries and backgrounds, you'll keep getting passed over. So practice not just your English, but your ability to break down complex ideas into simple, actionable takeaways. At the end of the day, the difference between people who stay stuck and people who actually get hired remotely: builders win. Builders put real work out there. Case studies, dashboards, insightful reports. It's not about preparing endlessly. It's about creating and showing what you can do. So if you're serious about becoming a remote data analyst in 2026, here's your new roadmap. Stop being just a learner. Start being a creator. Build things, solve actual problems, communicate your value, and let your work do the talking. That's how you stand out, and that's how you get hired, no matter where in the world you or your clients happen to be.